Morning, students of class 8th. This is the fourth. This is the fourth part of Vipin Chaudhary lesson. The lesson name is Vipin Chaudhary, first book, and Hornby. The first lesson it is the second lesson. The Vipin Chaudhary lapse of memory, and it is the fourth part of the last part of the lesson. If students you are getting the problem in understanding, or if you have problem in explanation, then write on the WhatsApp. So I'm going to start reading. Getting off the train at Ranchi next morning, he realized up to here the story part is that Vipin Chaudhary has thought that he has lost his memory, and definitely he has no idea about the trip of the Ranchi. So the next day we want to go directly Ranchi on the request of the Dr. Chanda. So he is now so puzzled. So next morning he decided to go Ranchi because there he can get his answers about his memory lapse. So I'm going to read this paragraph. Getting off the train at Ranchi next morning, he realized at once that he had never been there before. He came out of the station, took a taxi, and drove around the town for a while. He realized he realized that the streets, the buildings, the hotels, the bazaars, the Morabadi hills, with none of these had he slightest acquaintances. Acquaintances means jaan pehchan or identification. So, would a trip to Hodru Falls help? He didn't believe so, but at the same time, he didn't wish to leave with a feeling that he had not tried enough. So he arranged for the car and left for Hodru in the afternoon. What happened in this paragraph? For the confirmation and for knowing much about Ranchi trip, Mr. Vipin Chaudhary has decided to go Ranchi, and next morning he caught the train, and he found and in the next morning he came at Ranchi station. He realized at once that he had never come at this place before the time. Mr. Vipin Chaudhary has come out of the station. Mr. Vipin Chaudhary has taken a taxi and continues going towards the marketplace and to the number of the place. But Vipin Chaudhary has seen that streets, buildings, hotels, bazaar, Morawadi hills. But actually, Mr. Vipin Chaudhary is unable to find out that these things are really well known to him. These things he has never seen. So Mr. Vipin Chaudhary is very confused because his other friends and other one was asking that he has seen the number of the things before the time, but now he is watching the taxi, streets, bazaars, hotels of Ranchi, but he is unable to identify any of the thing, and he is completely out of the memory that he has never seen these hotel, bazaar, and buildings in his prior life. So, with none of the slightest acquaintance means there was no identification mark that he knows the things before the time. Then he had gone to the Hudru Fall for better support, for better help. But he believed that he had never come on this place. He tried more than one time, and Vipin Babu has tried more than one time to find out or to identify to recognize these places, but actually he is unable to get them. So he arranged a car to leave the Hudru Hall in the afternoon. In the next paragraph, at 5 o'clock the same afternoon in Hudru, two Gujarati gentlemen from a group of picnickers. Picnickers means picnic persons who has come for picnic. Discovered Vipin Babu lying unconscious beside a boulder. When he came round, the first thing Vipin Babu said was, "I am finished. There is no hope left." Next morning, Bipin Babu was back in Calcutta. He realized that there was truly no hope for him. Soon he would lose everything. His will to work, his will to work, his confidence, his ability, his balance of mind. Was he going to end up in the asylum at Bipin Babu couldn't think anymore. What happened? Bipin Babu was very disturbed whenever he reached at those or at Ranchi. Vipin Babu has seen the number of the things there. Vipin Babu has spent some time in Khudru Fall also, but Vipin Babu never, nothing found anything that he can regain or he can understand that this is the thing that he ever came before. So at 5 o'clock in the Hudru Hall, two Gujarati gentlemen was as a picnic person were there, but beside them, Bipin Babu was lying there, means sleeping there, unconscious. But Bipin Babu said to him directly that I am finished. I am finished means Bipin Babu saying that he has finished his investigation, and definitely there is nothing that he can understand that Bipin Babu has come to Ranchi before the time. Next morning, Bipin Babu returned to Calcutta, his native place. Then Bipin Babu realized that definitely, there is no hope. There is no chances to come to back his memory, his lapsed memory. And Bipin Babu is thinking that Bipin Babu is losing his confidence also. Bipin Babu is losing his mind balance also. So Bipin Babu want the asylum. Bipin Babu is thinking that perhaps definitely Bipin Babu has lost a part of the memory today, and after some days, Bipin Babu will lose his completely memory. So, Bipin Babu is very unhappy. What happened? Back to we are ending this point today, this much only. On the next day, we will complete the next thing. Have a nice day.